I'm somewhere near Mudigiri right now. Just listen to the music for a while. Like the EQ is so perfectly set. For people who don't know, EQ is like all the frequencies, are different so that they don't interfere with each other. Fuck, like there's that insect sound that's like probably like at high frequency, like higher bandwidth. And fuck, there's that peacock noise that is like way higher. And then there's that raindrop sound which is like middle or lower. Now there is that huge rain sound which is like a reverb. It's like so beautiful.